So I got this mic from Jumia, and at the time when I bought it, I got it for about 65,000 naira, and right now that mic is currently $24, which is approximately 34,000 naira. So this is the Holyland A1 combo. This mic is practically the best mic for content creation at this point. I'm talking about content creation for creators who are just starting, who are just into the industry. It is the cheapest and it gives you very quality audio. You can use it for your vlog or for even your podcast or even studio work. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a practical test with this mic. We are going to be going to a very windy area. We are going outdoors to test this mic. We are going to stretch this mic to its limit when it comes to transmission in very noisy and windy areas. So we are going to test the noise cancellation feature, because it has noise cancellation feature, which is just a press of a button. So right now I'm currently unpacking the mic. So this is what the mic looks like when you buy the mic. So from this point onwards, the audio you are going to hear is the audio from the Hollyland A1 mic. Alright guys, so right now I'm going out to test the quality of this sound. Right now there is no noise reduction on, and with the press of a button, noise reduction is currently on right now. As you can see the button, the light there, the light has turned green. So right now we are going out to test how far this can actually transmit to the receiver. So let's go guys. I'm going to just clip the mic on my hoodie, and once it's clipped, then we're ready to go. So as you can see, I'm going to go down there. It's over 100 meters, and from where I am to the end of this particular space. So we're going to test if the transmitter can still transmit from here to that side. So I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. All right guys, so I'm still walking. Hopefully it's still transmitting, because according to Holyland, this mic is supposed to transmit for over 200, 300, 400 meters. I can't remember, but I know it should transmit to the distance where I am going to and back. So at this point, I was still recording, I was still talking, thinking the mic was capturing my voice, but I had gone barely 100 meters and the mic had already lost transmission, which I believe the reason for this was probably the high wind, because there was a lot of wind in this area and that was affecting the transmission between the mic and the receiver. It's very windy at this moment. You see the difference, and guys, there is no wind muff on this mic. Yeah, that wind muff that helps reduces the sound of not hitting the mic connected to the mic. This football or this pitch, and right now I have to put the noise reduction feature on. So I'm going to, so guys, right now I've come to the end of the pitch at the moment. So, and as you guys notice, the noise was a bit cracky when I was getting towards 50 meters. So like, we are going to try this one more time again to see if actually we can get up to 100 meters of clear audio. So right now noise reduction is off, but I'm going to turn it on with a click of a button. So now noise reduction is actually on. As you can notice, or if you notice, there's noise going on at this side of the pitch, and we are going to pass right there to hear if the mic is going to capture any noise from that place or not. So let's go guys. So right now I'm moving back to where we started. I'm going back to where we started. So this is about 10 meters. I'm still moving. So right now I have come to the point where there was so much noise, there was so much speaker playing music, and I believe you guys wouldn't hear anything because noise reduction feature is actually on. So it's practically cancels every noise around me. Okay guys, so I'm still moving. Right now I'm over 50 meters. Just so you know, I went on to do this test without a wind muff. Yes, the mic came with a wind muff, but at this point it wasn't really necessary because the wind was not too much, so we can actually test it without the wind muff. Say the truth about the quality of this mic and how far this mic can transmit. So right now I'm over 70 meters across the other side of the road. So hopefully this mic transmits my audio, my voice clearly. So as you can see, there is no objects in this space blocking the transmission of the sound or anything like that. So there's no excuses for anyone or Holyland at this point. It is purely what a test based on practicals. So far, based on the test that we've conducted, it shows that this mic actually does not have a transmitting range of up to 100 meters. It has up to 100 meters, but at some point when you are recording, it begins to crack. Some sound begin to go mute and you can't hear yourself. It's just like after a couple of minutes or seconds, it goes on and off. So I believe it's caused by the wind, because there's so much wind around here. Not that much, but there's wind around here. So I believe the wind is actually causing the sound to break and all that. But this is a very, very open space that we came to run this test on, and there was no kind of obstruction or anything, just the wind, and this camera was unable to clearly give us consistent audio for up to 100 meters. Did I say camera? This mic rather was unable to give us clear audio consistently for 100 meters. But what I can say is it's actually good for the price, because I got this for about 68,000 naira on Jumia plus delivery, which is about $50 plus delivery, which is quite okay. So I can say this is actually a good mic for content creators and vloggers. But if you want to do something that will require you to go a very quite a far distance between you and your camera, then you have to go for something bigger, something like the Rode wireless mic or any other professional mics. But this one is just for short ranges, like 50 meters. So if you are vlogging for like 50 meters away from your camera, you're going to get clear audio from this. But if it's anything beyond 50 meters, then the audio will be a bit cracky and not very clear. But this is actually good for the price, guys. So what I can say is I actually don't regret buying this. It's actually worth it, because I don't think I'll be doing any kind of vlog or video that will take me that far away from my camera. But for what this thing has to offer, it's actually a good buy. So this is a good one from Holyland, and this is practically the cheapest mic within its range for all type of mic, and this is quite clearer than most professional mics that people buy for a whole lot of money. So thank you guys for watching this video, and you can purchase this mic for yourselves and also enjoy the same thing I'm enjoying right now. But like I said, it's actually good for short distances. Anything beyond 50 meters, your video starts becoming shaky, your audio starts cracking. But once it's within that 50 meters range, you have clear, consistent audio. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.